I'm just me. I'm not perfect, but I'm me. I've made bad decisions and wrong choices, yet I'm still me. I've spoken both right and wrong things, simply because I'm me. I might not like everything I've done, but I did it because I'm me. I've loved and trusted the wrong people, but I'm still me. If I could start over, I wouldn't change a thing. Why? Because I'm me. Beyond my imperfections, there are many good things about me. If you can't see that, then it's your loss. I'm doing the best I can.
Unexpected the way you right and left it. So you think you gon' take it in? Never really knew that she could dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish.
Hindi ko sinasabing cute ako. Yung jowa mo ang nagsabi.
Palagi kaming nag-aaway. Pero ngayon hindi na.
Paano masabi?
Hiwalay na kasi kami.
Ang tingnan kapag may jowa ka tapos hindi ako.
Gusto kita na mapasakit kahit na
Pero okay na ako ngayon. Naghiwalay kami. Ng pera ko.
Everything in this world is temporary. Life changes. People come and go, and seasons never last. So no matter what you're going through right now, always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. Don't give up. Put your hope in God, and you will overcome it all.
So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way.
I'ma beat it like a drum beat. sinasabi mo? Tumataba at gumaganda na ako? Natural! Dapat lang! Wala na kasi ako sa maling tao!
Yung totoo, mahina ako sa inuman. Pero sa kainan, bakit di natin subukan?
Madalas akong nasasabihan, ikaw pa, mawawala ng pera. Diyos mio, Marimar. Mataba lang po ako, pero di ako alkansya.
Isa sa mga natutunan ko these last few months is that I can smile even when I'm hurting. I can continue to hope even when I face disappointments. Natutunan ko na may baon pa pala akong lakas kahit feeling ko ubos na ako. My point is, we can keep going because the journey doesn't stop when we reach a dead end. The journey only stops when we do.
Today, I just want to thank God for the gift of life. No requests, no complaints, just thankful to be alive.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset.
Sa natutunan ko, people will always judge you no matter what you are, who you are, what you do, successful ka man o hindi. Wala na yatang nakakatakas sa sistema na ganun, no? So, what you need to do is do what makes you happy and don't care about anyone.
Kung may problema ka, available ako makinig. Regular problem, 2K. With advice, 3K. Kung kasama ako sa pag-iyak, 5K.